Hello friends, this is Colonel Ajay, CEO AjayAstroMoneyGuru.com and online channel Ajay Astro Money Guru. Today 25th of June year 2020. Friends, today we are going to discuss a very unique combination of Jupiter and Saturn and impact on capital and money market today in this show. Friends, first of all, we shall discuss about 25th of June year 2020 horoscope. What exactly the planetical conditions of as on date 25th of June year 2020. Sun and Mercury are making conjunction together with the Rahu in Gemini's house or Mercury's house. Opposite to Rahu, it is the Ketu, exactly 180 degree, and Saturn and Jupiter are together and under retrogression in Capricorn. Mars, it is in Pisces, while Venus, it is in Taurus. So all these combinations are giving an indication of movement of the banking and financial sectors stocks at the global level. Friends, what it is expected, if you remember in my previous show, yesterday I had given clear indication about the Asian market, the profit booking at the higher level and the deep downward correction was seen in Asian market including India. So Indian market was shown tremendous downward movement and shown some recovery or a bounce back during last hour. So friends, what is expected today on US market we are going to discuss. If you see in US market what it is expected, as I said, one of the very important combination of the Jupiter and Saturn are to be discussed today. Jupiter and Saturn, it is going to be departed from each other by end of this month, mean 30th of June. So the departure or departing from Saturn and Jupiter are very important astrological combination which reflect to the global stocks market. Friend, right now the Jupiter and Saturn are making conjunction in the Capricorn, which is the Saturn's house. Both planets are under retrogression. By end of the month of June, Jupiter will be under retrogression, changing zodiac sign from Capricorn to Sagittarius on 30th of June. And that departure of Saturn and the Jupiter are creating very important event for global stock and commodity markets. Friend, we shall give you updates on crude oil and metals on different show, but today we are going to discuss the banking stocks at the global level. So far with banking stocks are concerned, especially in US market, I am expecting the Goldman Sachs, which was closed on 24th of June, 198 US dollar. This particular security, it was closed 198 label Goldman Sachs and JP Morgan. This was closed on previous day, mean on 24th of June year 2020 by 94.68 label. So what is expected in next few days? Friends, I am expecting traders and investors need to be very careful to trade in these securities, because I am expecting profit booking or somewhat downward trend any time. Let's see what happens. But the financial astrology always gives an early alert to its friends, research scholars, and the students. Friends, this is purely for the education purpose. You just see the power of financial astrology, and you can comment, you can give suggestions also, and keep watching our show on crude oil, base metals, currencies, and the global stock market. You can talk to us also +91 988 70 56704. Friends, once again, please go through our disclaimer. And this is the copy under copyright and exclusively made for YouTube channel. So friend, this, again, the financial astrology giving an indication of some big movement in financial sector, especially banking and financial stocks. Maybe it may JP Morgan, maybe Goldman Sachs, and in the different countries, Motilal Oswal, IFL in Indian market. So one need to be little careful while investing in these securities. Thank you. Keep watching our show always and every time. Thank you very much. Good day.